My goal is to offer you little simple tools and tricks and tips, because there's so many things right now that we feel that we don't have any control over with me getting through this coronavirus crisis. Like Hippocrates said thousands of years ago, very, very strong immune system right now to help us get through these times. More clarity of thinking, help you sleep better, help you make good decisions, meal plans and recipes and things like that. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Whole Wellness Method video. I am Lida Sportel at the upcoming lidashealing.com and founder of the Whole Wellness Method. And this video is part of the video series Getting Through the Coronavirus Crisis with You. And my goal is to offer you little simple tools and tricks and tips that you can use right now with the resources that we've got or don't have, and that you can feel empowered, that you can feel that you have control over what's going on, because there's so many things right now that we feel that we don't have any control over. So if there are a couple things that I can give you to make you feel that there are still things that you can contribute, that you can help yourself and your family, that is my goal. And today I want to talk about diet. And you might wonder, well, what does diet have to do with me getting through this coronavirus crisis? Well, the thing is that we really need to keep our bodies in optimal health, or at least not jeopardize our health even further by eating unhealthy food. We need to use food right now as medicine. And like Hippocrates said thousands of years ago, he said, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." So, and that was not something that he just said. We proved that over the years to be the case, that we can actually use food as medicine. So I want to offer you a few different foods that can be used as medicine in terms of really helping the inflammation levels in your body, really helping the immune system that your body is really. We really need a very, very strong immune system right now to help us get through these times, and also to help you in terms of your brain and the way you feel, and to use food to help you feel better, have more clarity of thinking, help you sleep better, help you make good decisions. Because when we are all in this stressed out, panicky state, it's definitely not a time where we're able to make good decisions. We're really only thinking about survival, and our more primitive parts of our brains get activated. So we are not always able to think clearly and to really look at things in a way that is helping us. So food has been shown over and over again to help us with emotions, help us with dealing with anxiety, help us deal with stress, help us sleep deeper, help us make better decisions, help us with inflammation in our bodies, help us with our immune system, help us on so many different levels. So I really want to start giving you some really simple tools. And I will also offer some meal plans and recipes and things like that that you can actually start implementing right now, that are not overwhelming, that are not requiring any extra knowledge or anything like that, or extra tools that you can start implementing. That way you are supporting your body, because it's, again, very important right now that we use all the natural tools and our own body's wisdom to help us get through this, whether it is on the level of the immune system or the inflammation or the way we think, the way we feel, and so on and so forth. So let's jump into some of these tips.